There is no excuse why there is an unemployment problem in this country. All the poor folks need to be working, and we figured out the methodology to get them to work. I'm showing it to you. And we train medical coders, and this is two of our students. And I have a diploma program to teach people how to read. I have guys in the program with high school diplomas that they can't read. Not one of them, I got a lot of them. And I'm telling you, we're going to lose this country if we're graduating people who can't read the diplomas that they got in their pocket. Well, they read my diploma or I won't sign it. So we got that problem figured out. This is the arts program. Remember I'm the black guy from the 60s? How many of you even around in the 60s? Raise your hand. Well, that's cool. One time I did the talk, nobody raised their hand. So I got to check out who I'm talking to, or the jokes don't work. Well, I was around during the disturbances. Back then we called them what they were. They were riots, and guys were getting shot in the neighborhood. So I decided I was going to save their souls with clay, man. And I created Manchester Craftsmen's Guild based on the English Craft Guild concept. You know, master, apprenticeship, and all of that. So now I recruit and train 300 kids from the public school system in the arts every year. And we increase the graduation rate by 20% in 24 months, and I do not teach the academics. What I teach is motivation. You can't teach kids algebra if they don't want to live. The first thing you got to do is to get them to want to stay on the planet. Oh, by the way, I've never had a police call. You come to my building, that multi-million-dollar building, there's no security camera. And I've never had one incident in 50 years. Zero. Nobody's that lucky. It's environment. You build world-class environments, you get world-class kids every day of the week. Black kids, white kids, and everybody in between. It doesn't make any difference. We're all fundamentally built the same, and we want the same thing. And that's what I figured out.